The strongest base among the following is, these are the four molecules, and out of these four molecules we have to find out the strongest base among these four. And we also know by the Lewis acid base concept that your Lewis base is the one which can donate electrons easily. So out of these four molecules we have to find out whose electron pairs, lone pairs of electrons, are easily available for donation. That will be the strongest base. It is important to find out which molecule is more basic. If we are given with two molecules and asked to say that which one is more basic, then it is important to know few steps in order to give the answer. Let us see these points. The first point says that the most stable lone pair is most basic. That means if you see this compound, here oxygen is having a lone pair but it is stabilized. Yes, it is stabilized due to resonance. So this will be least basic and this one will be the most basic because here the lone pairs are available easily for donation according to the Lewis base concept. Now, the second point says that the lone pairs on negative charged atom are usually more basic than the lone pairs on the neutral atom. So let us look at this example. Here we see that oxygen has a negative charge and also it has lone pairs of electrons. And also your amine, there is no charge but there is one lone pair. Now you see it says that the negatively charged atoms are usually more basic. So out of A and B, which one will be more basic? Your A will be more basic as it has one negative charge in it. Okay. Now the third point says that for atoms having the same charge, the lone pairs on the atom which is more electronegative will be more stable and it will be less basic. So let us look at the molecule like this one, and this is the another molecule. So how many electrons are there? There are two lone pair of electrons on this oxygen and this nitrogen is having one lone pair of electrons. Now out of these two, which is more electronegative? Obviously oxygen is more electronegative. So this molecule is not willing to give its lone pair of electrons for protonation. That means it is unavailable because oxygen being more electronegative tries to keep the lone pairs with itself. Whereas nitrogen being less electronegative will tend to give its lone pair of electrons for protonation. So which one will be more basic here? Your B will be more basic. Now, the fourth point says that if the lone pairs of electrons are on the atoms having the same charge, then if one of the lone pairs has more resonance structures, then it will become stabilized, so it will be less basic. So out of A and B, you will find that these lone pairs are resonance stabilized, so more basic will be your A. Also, you look at here that in the second point we have studied that the lone pairs on the negatively charged atoms are usually basic. Now, if you look at the earlier point, here we have compared one compound with the charge and one compound with no charge. That means this is neutral. So here we found that the one with negative charge will be more basic. But in case when there is charge on both the atoms, then one which is stable will be less basic. Okay, that is one which is having more resonance structure will be least basic, and the other point is that if the electronegativity is more, then it will be less basic. So these are the points you should remember. There's another point, let us see. The fifth point says that only atoms with a lone pair can act as a basic site. That means the atom should have lone pairs of electrons, then only we can compare the basicity of that molecule. Suppose you take BH3. So if BH3 we know is a Lewis acid, so it accepts electrons on its empty p orbitals. So if we take H and which donates electrons to this boron, what will happen? It will gain a negative charge. And also you know nitrogen, here N is 1 2 3, that is 3 hydrogen it is attached with, and if you remove this proton, what we will get is we will get NH and H and a negative charge here. Now you tell me, because in this case also there is one lone pair. Now the lone pair is there and there are now two lone pairs. Okay, now you see, if you are asked to tell the basicity of these two molecules, what will you say is this is your basic and this is not basic. Okay, B is basic because it is, along with having a charge, also has lone pairs. Okay, but here it has no lone pairs, so it is not at all, we cannot say that it is basic. Okay, the basic site is absent here because this atom is now having no lone pairs. Only there is a charge but no lone pair. So there is no basic site, it is not basic. Now let us see the molecules that are given in the question. Now you see, these are the molecules that are given in the question. Now you see in the first question here, the lone pairs are resonance stabilized on these two nitrogens. Here the lone pairs is coming here and this pi bond is coming on nitrogen. And also the other resonance structure will be that these lone pairs are donating electrons and forming a bond, and this electron density is now moving towards nitrogen. That means your nitrogen is now having a negative charge and also it has a lone pair. So there are two plus R effect here. This is also showing plus R effect and this is also showing the plus R effect. So the electron density on this nitrogen is now heavily increased because of two NH2 groups here, which is donating electrons. So this will be highly basic. Okay. Now if you look at option B, here though there is resonance, okay, there's plus R effect, but what happens is here the electron density on nitrogen is used up to neutralize its positive charge. Okay, there is no lone pair here for donation, but only what is happening is that it is taking up the electrons to fulfill its electron deficiency. Okay, so this will be least basic. Okay, now if you see this one here, also there is plus R effect shown. Okay, that means your electron density on this oxygen is increasing, but we have studied that this molecule, and if you compare this molecule, in these two molecules both the nitrogen and oxygen is having the same charge, yes, but the electronegativity of oxygen is greater. That means your C is less basic than A. Yes, C is less basic than A. That means it will be like this. Now you have to compare C and D. Now in C and D, what you'll find is that the lone pairs are on the nitrogen, which is not delocalized. It cannot be showing any plus R effect. Okay, there is no plus R effect here. And on oxygen also the lone pairs are as it is. Okay. Now also we have studied in case of a same molecule, when the charges are same, here the three atoms are neutral in the same molecule. Okay, but oxygen is having higher electronegativity. If you look at the electronegativity of the nitrogen and oxygen, the nitrogen being more electronegative is not willing to donate its lone pair of electrons for protonation. Okay, it is not available. Okay, so the nitrogen is more basic than oxygen here. So there are two nitrogens, so the possibility of donation of electron by this two nitrogen is greater. That means your 2D is more basic than C. Okay, so D is more basic than C and your B is least basic. So this is the order of your basicity of the question that is given. Now if you look at the question, the correct answer will be your option A.